This is so funny. Archie, you have to wait for a walk. You have to wait a little bit. We will go. You have to wait. Look at that. Yes, I know you. Listen. Inside voice. Inside voice. Inside voice. Yes, inside voice, please. Not the back. That was not a good idea, hon. Inside voice. Lily, can you tell an inside voice?
Who's that?
I have no idea anymore.
Okay, Archie.
No, it wasn't Archie. It was a puppy to a
Who's whacking
puppy.
him in the head?
Oh, he was whacking them in the head. Archie. This is so cute. Archie, listen. I know you want to go. You have to wait. Mister, can you wait? Who's barking? Who's barking? See? Somebody else is barking. Yes. You can go. Oh my God. And go through the gate.
Goodness gracious me.
Han. It was hopping up and down.
Yeah.
Yes. Okay, that's enough. See what you make? You're making the other pooch bark. Hi, Lily. Who is it, baby girl? What is it, sweetheart? What? You got a puppy right by you. Okay, that's enough.